Hello friends, in the video I'm going to talk about how to fix your connection is private if you're opening any site. Like now I'm going to open OBS Studio, and here I'll click on OBS Studio, and here you will see your connection is not private. So guys, if you like my video, subscribe and click the bell icon at the subscribe button and like my video. So guys, let's go into this. So if it's showing in any website, here it would be written that attackers might be stealing your information from this site. Click on advanced, and here you will see the information that what it uses. So if you want to fix this, first you have to go to the new tab, go to the history, and go to the history. Now here you will see in the left pane you will see clear browsing data. You'll just click here, and then you will see these 4 items already being selected. Just have to click on clear data, and then so the another step is you have to go to the control panel, and in the control panel, now in the control panel I'll go to the network and internet. So I'll click on change adapter settings, and now I'll go to my Wi-Fi. I'll just click on properties. Okay, wait. Just have to go to the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. Now make sure the obtain an IP address is already selected, and now in the second you have to just click on use the following DNS server addresses. Click here, and now write 8 again 8. In the alternate DNS server you have to write 4, and after you have to click on OK and then close, and then you'll see the result here. Just have to refresh, and here you will see the result. So I have not done the full because I have to clear that browsing data. I have not, so you have to clear that browsing data, and then you will see the result here. So guys, if you like my video, subscribe and click the bell icon at the subscribe button and like my video. So guys, take care and bye for now. Sorry for the disturbance. So take care and bye for now.